on. There you go. So why I did this was about me becoming more healthy for myself and myself only. And I feel that this program was something that anybody can have. They can do this. Anybody can do this because you can incorporate this in your life no matter how crazy things are. Like, I have a very hectic work schedule. I don't work a typical 9-to-5 job. I work crazy hours. My husband is very healthy as far as exercising, but when it comes to his eating habits, it's like he's still living in college in a dorm room. He'll think nothing of having like hot dogs and french fries and peanut butter and jelly, and then goes for a long bike ride and then comes back and has Pop-Tarts. And I have a 6-year-old. He likes Rice Krispie treats and he likes fruit roll-ups and stuff. And you know, all this stuff is in the house, but I never felt like I had to go to it. I always had something for me in that house, and I really never felt hungry, and that was a big surprise for me. I thought I would be hungry. Considering if you look on paper how much you can eat, you say to yourself, oh wow, I'm going to be hungry, and you're not. Because when you eat the right foods, you're not hungry, and in the right quantities.
And how much did you lose?
45 pounds.
Wow.
Halfway to my goal, which was... I wanted to lose a total of 100. I knew it wasn't going to come off in one fell swoop, but I'm almost halfway there, and I am really happy about that.
Wonderful, wonderful. Good job. Congratulations.
Yeah.
We are so proud of you. We really are.
Well, I had a lot of help here, a lot of support, so it was good. The cold lasers and the ion cleanse, I think, were really a big help to help just flush all these toxins and impurities out of your system. Like, every little thing helps. I can't say it's like one specific thing. I think it's the combination of everything and the right balance of it that really just comes all together and just helps you achieve the goal you want to achieve, you know?